Anne Frank Museum reopens after renovation. Amsterdam. The Anne Frank Museum, built around the secret apartment where the Jewish teenager and her family hid from the Nazis, has been reopened after being renovated to receive a generation of visitors whose grandparents were born after World War II. The museum and tiny apartment where Anne wrote her diary, the most widely read document to emerge from the Holocaust, attract 1.2 million visitors annually. Anne's story is told through simple photos, quotes from her diary, video testimony of survivors, and a new audio tour. An audio tour gave us the ability to give information without disturbing what I think is one of the most powerful elements of this house, its emptiness. Museum director Ronald Leopold said.